can occur anywhere and at any time. It's just like a terrible thing that can happen.
It's scary, I'll be honest.
A scary reality in the palm of your hand. We're talking about a feature on your iPhone you might not even realize you have. It is called AirDrop.
And tonight, growing concern is that it's being used as a form of harassment. News 4's Rebecca Cardenas live in Nashville tonight.
Yeah, Rebecca, what's AirDrop actually supposed to be used for?
Well, the feature is supposed to be a convenient way to share photos with people who are near you, but you might not always get a photo that you asked for, and you might not even know who it's coming from. It's technology designed to make your life easier.
You can share a picture or other information to folks that have AirDrop enabled on their phone.
But now it's being used as a form of harassment.
It's gross, but like really not that surprising.
That's something that you wouldn't really think about. I'm turning on my Bluetooth.
The default setting for AirDrop is that it is only enabled for contacts that you have on your phone.
If your receiving is set to everyone, you can get a photo from anyone nearby and not even know who it came from.
It's scary, I'll be honest.
Don Baham is the president of Kraft Technology Group and a father to middle schoolers.
Having kids that have devices, it's just scary in general, knowing what I know, knowing what's out there.
He says the most restrictive you can be of AirDrop is just turning it off, but it's easily switched back on. The best way to protect your kids is to talk to them.
I don't think there's being too much in your kid's business, so be in it as much as you can.
If you do receive a lewd photo via AirDrop and you don't know who it came from and you do want to report it, Baham says you should accept it.
Save the photo and then turn the photo over to police, because it's going to have some metadata typically in that photo where they can trace it.
Now, I reached out to Williamson County and Metro Nashville schools. Neither have heard of this specific type of harassment or bullying, but they do both have a general cell phone misconduct policy. Tom and Tracy.
Rebecca, thank you.